Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix 2XKO login error. So if you are getting this 2XKO-2001 error code, failed to login into XKO game, then here follow the fixes to solve this error. So the first fix is to simply restart your PC. So click on Windows icon, then click on power menu and then select restart. And after your PC restart, then you can launch the game and check. Fix 2 is to start the VGC service. So in Windows search type services and open it. Now look for VGC, right click on it, select properties. Now in starter type select automatic and then click on start. Wait for it, it will take some time. Now after this completed, then click on apply and then OK. And then you can launch the game and check. Third solution is to Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So to do this, in Windows search type Windows security and open it. Now go to the virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Then click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Now click on add an allowed app. Then click on browse all apps. Now go to the game installation folder. Open 2XKO folder, open live folder. Now select lion exe file and click open to add it to the list. Then again click on add an allowed app, then click on browse all apps. Then select offline launcher exe file, click open to add it to the list. Again click on add an allowed app, then click on browse all apps. Open lion folder, open binaries folder, open win64 folder, select lion win64 shipping exe file, click open to add it to the list. Now go back, click on firewall and network protection, then click on allow an app through firewall, then click on change settings, then click on allow another app, then click on browse. Now add all those 3 exe file, open 2XKO folder, open live folder, select line exe file and click open and then click on add. Now after adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked marked. Then again click on allow another app, click on browse, select offline launcher exe file, click open, click on add. Again make sure both private and public is ticked marked. Then again click on allow another app, click on browse, open line folder, open binaries folder, open win64 folder, select line win64 shipping exe file, click open, click on add. After adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked marked, then click on OK to save changes. And now you can launch the game and check if the problem is fixed or not. Now if you are using a third-party antivirus program such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, then allow the game exe file to your antivirus program as well. And then you can launch the game and check. Or you can simply turn off your antivirus program for a while and then launch the game and check. And later on you can turn on your antivirus program. Fix 5 is to run the game as an administrator from the game installation folder. So what you have to do, open the game installation folder. Now right click on lion exe file and select run as an administrator and then check. If that doesn't work, then open lion folder, binaries folder, win64 folder and then right click on lion win64 shipping exe file and select run as an administrator and check. Sixth solution is to reset your internet connection. So what you have to do, in Windows search type cmd and open command prompt as an administrator, click yes to allow. Now in the command prompt you have to type this code and hit enter. You have to copy paste code one by one and hit enter. You can copy this code from my video description. I have mentioned this code in my video description. These codes are safe to use, so you don't have to worry about it. Now you have to restart your computer in order to complete the reset process. So close this command prompt, then click on Windows icon, then click on power menu and then select restart option. And after your PC restart, then you can launch the game and check. If still your problem is not solved, then change the DNS server. To do so, in Windows search type control panel and open it. click on view network status and tasks, click on your connected Wi-Fi, then click on properties. Now if internet protocol version 6 is selected, then untick it, then select internet protocol version 4 and select properties. Now here select use the following DNS server address, and in the preferred DNS server type 8.8.8.8, and in alternate DNS server type 8.8.4.4, then hit OK and then close this, and then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. And the last solution is to connect and disconnect VPN. So if you have installed any VPN, then connect to a VPN and then connect to a different location than your current location, and then launch the game and check. If you are already connected to a VPN, then disconnect it and then launch the game and check. By following these fixes, I hope you will be able to fix this 2XKO-2001 fail to login error in 2XKO game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.